Fresh from the Farm's aim is to take local in-season produce and send it from the producer directly to the consumer without the middleman. It means that both the consumer and the producer benefit, and it's a win-win situation for both. Our model is different from many other online models. We try and maximize the use of space and courier cost. Fresh from the Farm is evolving organically from our customers' questions and requirements and our learning experiences, and bringing in people on the farm that are growing the business with us.
I started primary school while my mother was working with Inkwazi. And then after completing my matric, I came back and worked with them as a general worker labor. Now I have the opportunity to work with Susanna on the project Fresh from the Farm.
From picking to arriving, there's very short transit time. So you're actually getting the freshest product. And also it's the reduction in cooling and the reduction in handling. Our fruit was with the person within 5 or 6 days of picking. And we're still getting our avos to our customers at a much cheaper price than they could ever buy them. So it's just a win-win. With the economic climate the way it is, everybody wants to support local and local wants to support South Africa. So it's a real feeling of working together and supporting the whole South African economy.